Thank you for watching the episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next.
A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We are trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of October. Only 33 more to go.
This month, as a family, we'll be building a mess of Halloween Lego brick kits from Temu to give you a chance to see what's worth buying from their platform. And today, we're starting off with the Happy Halloween 12-in-1 set. It's a combined, it calls it a combined deformation. Looks like you've got 12 just very small, very quick kits, it looks like. There's also a different picture on the front. Hopefully they'll give us the directions on how to put that together. But it also says 6 years plus, so this one should be a really nice, easy build for everybody. And let's see what we have inside here. So there is a lot of bags. Looks like each little kit is individually packaged for each little thing. So I'm assuming there are 12 here. It also looks like there's at least one extra. You got a couple of extra bags with parts that don't seem to come with directions, so I'm not sure what those are for. I guess we'll find that out. And we've got a extra thing here. It says instructions, 2 play methods, detailed assembly method in each package. Okay, so those would be the directions. Gameplay 1, and that looks like it's each little piece individually. And then gameplay 2 is that picture that's on the front. So it looks like they should be telling us how to build that with all of these pieces as well. So we're going to go ahead and look forward to building all of these little pieces. Each of us will do some of them, and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, and as always, thank you so much for watching our content here. Please like and subscribe for more. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that's needing some help there, and any support you give us would be helpful. It's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free, and hopefully that $3 can help you decide what you love making next. Thanks for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.